Hi, I'm here today to show you how to properly maintain your chainsaw. First, or after each use, this is what I do. So first, I take off the gas cap with your tool that steel gave you, or your chainsaw came with. Take out your 50-to-1 gas to oil mix, and fill your chainsaw up with gas. Shouldn't take much gas, not more than about a pint. Cap the gas. I retighten that. Then I take off the bar oil cap, and I use the summer blend of the bar oil. There's two bar oils, summer and winter blend. It's summertime, so I'm going to use the summer blend. You never want to run out of bar oil, because that will destroy your chainsaw pretty quick. So make sure you fill it up after every use. Uh-oh, I'm leaking a bit here. Then, after I fill both the gas and the bar oil, I take the chainsaw and I check the chain tension. It shouldn't be more than, you shouldn't be able to see more than a little bit under the actual chain here. This is a little bit too loose. You can see the bottom of the gears or sprockets or whatever you want to call them. So to tighten the chain, you loosen these right here. And to tighten, you put the tool there and turn to the right, so you got to find it. And that looks about perfect, but it loosens up with every use, so you have to over tighten it a little bit before each use. So that looks a little bit too tight, so that's good, because it'll loosen up while you're using it. So that's it, and always make sure to keep your blade out of the dirt, because the dirt will eat up your blade and dull it up real fast. So that's how to maintain your chainsaw. I forgot to mention at the end of the last video, part 1, to retighten these bolts that allow you to adjust your chain tension so your chain doesn't go all out of whack while you're cutting wood. So make sure these are nice and tight, and then you should be good to go cut some more wood.